Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on effortlessly adding an audio player to your website in just 2 minutes, and you don't need any specific skills. Let's dive in. Head over to elfsight.com and select the audio player widget from the menu. Click Create Widget and you'll find the direct link in the video description. Now, let's craft your widget. Begin by choosing a template that aligns with your preferences, then click Continue with this template. To embed your records on the website, navigate to the Tracks tab. Upload your own file or import it from any public URL. You can position the widget on the Layout tab and customize track info, elements, and colors on the Player and Style tabs. Your widget is now ready. Explore other settings to fine-tune layout, size, colors, and fonts. Click Join to install to add the widget to your website. Log in or sign up to the Elfsight app. It's free and no credit card required. After you do, you'll see the widget you created. Click Save. After that, to display the widget on any page, let's focus on the most popular use case, adding it to the home page. After logging into WordPress, go to Pages and select Home page. Add a custom HTML block after you copied it from the Elfsight results to the required part of the page. Paste your widget's code and click Update. And that's it, guys. Explore our array of cool, exciting widgets for free by clicking in the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.